Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the latest and greatest tech solutions. In today's video, we'll be sharing our top pick for the best free VPN for Windows in 2024. And guess what? It comes with free 103 GB of data per month. This VPN has user-friendly interface, which making it easy for users to set up and navigate the VPN service. It has a strong security to ensure secure browsing with robust encryption protocols, protecting user data and privacy from potential threats. It has Ghost Beer feature, helps bypass VPN blocking and censorship by obfuscating VPN traffic, allowing users to access restricted content. It has a Vigilant mode, which acts as a kill switch, cutting off internet traffic if the VPN connection drops, ensuring data privacy and preventing leaks. And finally, the best feature, which is free plan with data limit. Provides a free plan with a limited amount of data each month, allowing users to experience the VPN service at no cost. So with this information, let's dive right in. In the first step, if your country restricts or blocks access to some sites like me, you need a VPN to create a user for yourself. If you not, you can skip this step and go to the next step. This is the VPN I always use, and you can see its tutorial here and on the channel. Now I will connect my VPN and we will go to next step with each other. Now everything is ready and we will go to for next step. Now in this step, open up a browser and go to this link. Of course, I will mention the links on the description. Now just copy it and paste it here, and we will go to actually TunnelBear website. After the website is fully loaded, you will see two fields to fill, and you should type your email address and your password. Actually guys, I myself always use temperature email, which you can find it here, email1.io. Actually it depends on you to use your email address or temperature email address. Just open up inbox and you will see your email address here. Just copy it and go to sign up page. Here I will paste it, and here type my password and just click on create account. Here in this page you will find your actually platform to download your client. As you can see, it has a desktop version which has macOS, Windows, and for mobile devices which has iOS devices and Android devices. And here you will find your browser extensions like Chrome, Firefox and Edge. So choose the appropriate options according to your platform and start downloading your VPN client. Just tap on the button and you will see your download file. Just start to download. After the client is completely downloaded, go to your email address and verify the email that came from TunnelBear. I will go to my email inbox, and as you can see, we have an email from TunnelBear. So just click on the actually verification link. As you can see here, you will find a link, verify my account. Just click on it and it's gonna verify your email address and username. As you can see, our email has been confirmed and we are going to next step. On the official website, when you click on my account, you can see some of your information. As you can see, we have a 2 GB of free bandwidth for each month, which you can take up to 103 GB per month. Now close the browser and go to your download folder and open up your client file to install it. It doesn't have any important point, just click on install and choose your path and be patient and wait. It takes about 3 minutes, guys. Once the client installation is complete, open the program. Here you will see two options, guys: create an account and log in with an existing account. If you did not create an account in the first step, you can click on the create account. If you not, just log in. Now we are in the login page. Just type your email address and your password, which we made it on the first step. Click on login and wait. Now we are on the main page of the client. As you can see, we have a 2 GB of free bandwidth by default. Now do the settings like me. Guys, if you want VPN not to work on some of your programs, or not to use VPN when you turn on VPN, turn on this option and specify your program to not use your VPN. Actually, I always don't use such as this option, so I will turn it off, and we will go to another option, which is settings. In the settings we will choose connection tab, and after that there is a two important option, guys: turn on vigilant peer and ghost peer, which are so important. Vigilant peer is for kill switch, and ghost peer is for actually bypass VPN blocking and censorship. On the VPN protocol, we have three options to use: OpenVPN, IKIV2 and WireGuard. In cases where your country may have blocked a certain protocol, we can use this option. Just set it on the OpenVPN and close the client, and after that if you run your VPN, just disconnect it. Actually, we run it on the first step. Just disconnect it and come back to your client and open up it. After we run the TunnelBI client and the program comes with my IP address, which is the Iran IP address, you will see the interesting point. As you can see, guys, now I have a 103 GB of free bandwidth per month, which is fantastic. For more information, as I said in the beginning of the video, you can come to my Telegram channel, where you can find and use full video and many amazing tools. In this section, you will see a large number of services in different countries that you can choose from and connect to. As you can see, the United States for itself has about 12 servers, and as you can see, there is so much servers from actually different country. Again, we will check up our actually settings. Turn on vigilant peer, ghost peer, and everything is actually ready. Here I need to tell you important point, guys. When your VPN is not yet connected, you will see a sheep at your location, which means that your VPN is not connected. And when the sheep will change to a bear, this means that your VPN is connected to the target server. In the next, I will tell you what is the story about. Let me show you here when I will select actually one of the United States servers. You can see here the sheep is changed to bear, and when actually bear comes to here, it means that your VPN is connected. In cases where your VPN does not connect, like in the country where I live now, you can use another VPN client as a bridge for TunnelBI, and you can easily connect to the internet. In this case, just follow this step. Just close your TunnelBI client and open up your first VPN. Connect your VPN. After your VPN bridge is connected, open up your TunnelBI client. Now choose one of your actually server I will choose the United States and wait. And turn on your TunnelBear. Be patient and wait. As you can see, TunnelBear was easily connected to the desired server. And here again you can see that I have a 103 GB of free monthly bandwidth. In the last step, I will show you the TunnelBear Leak Test to see how amazing this VPN is, and you can't find anything like it. For do the leak test, we will go to this URL, dnsleaktest.org, as you can see the URL. In the page, you can see your IP address details, as you can see the country, the city, and just click on DNS Leak Test and wait and be patient. The test takes about 30 minutes, and after that you can see the result. As you can see in the VPN percentage section, it is 100, which means its leakage rate is 0%. This is fantastic guys, and you can find this option in any VPN, believe me guys. Here is nothing left to say my friends, we covered all of the important things. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews and recommendations. As always, thank you for watching guys, and we will see you in the next one.